In the past, when it came to prompt engineering, in my opinion, ChatGPT was king. However, that has now changed because Claude right now is reigning supreme when it comes to prompt engineering, specifically when it comes to generating amazing AI video prompts.
Hey, who's the king now, silly?
The recent release of Seedance 2.0 opened up Pandora's box when it comes to the capabilities of generating amazing AI video. With just one simple prompt, you can create multi-shots,
move with it,
different camera scenes, angles, and it understands specific cinematography. Well, once tools only continue to get better, it's time for us to level up with our prompting and really understand what each of these models do best, because sometimes different models behave a little bit differently. So I created a prompt, which I'm giving you today. It is the complete Claude Prompt Engineer Builder, a full examples library, shot references, and then a full meta system prompt. All right, so we're gonna head over here into my AI video engine database. We have everything from the best AI video prompts possible. But today we're gonna go to the prompt generator section. And the one I wanna share with you today is this one right here. This is called the 2 MVPs in 1. The best prompts plus the meta system iteration prompt generator. So now just go ahead and copy the whole entire thing. Now with that prompt copied, we're gonna head over here into Claude. Now in my opinion, this prompt works so much better in Claude, and now you're gonna see exactly why. Now after submitting this prompt, you should instantly get everything I'm about to show you, or you may get something a little bit similar. So I'll copy this prompt again to see what happens if we do start a new chat, but let me first walk you through this process. Just by simply pasting in this prompt, this is a fully interactive app directly utilized in the chat. So at the top, these tabs are actually clickable. We have the prompt builder, the example library, the shot references, and then the full meta system prompt. This prompt builder is a prompt building app. All you have to do is simply fill in the subjects, and then now just select your specific genres and styles. Action, Hollywood. What about the film stock and look? We have these specific cameras. Let's go with the red cinema. All right. And now as far as step 5, the camera movements. Select per shot. This is what is so impressive, because in these prompts, you only want to have one major camera movement per shot. So we can select, since we have 4 shots, we can select 4 different angles. But look, generate prompt. Do you see how quick that was? Instantly. This is it right here. Now with that copied, just go and utilize the tool where Seedance is available. I'll come over here in the free pick, select Seedance 2.0, everything is in here, and then we'll just change a few of the different options around, and now just simply generate this one. Now I could add a specific character if I wanted, so let's go ahead and do that. Let's bring in add media. I'll go to character. Now down here in the scene, I want to make sure I tag her. There she is. Let's now go ahead and generate this. Now let's go back over here into the chat. That was the prompt builder. We also have the example library. Look at all these amazing prompts we get. Just some really good examples, a lot of them that we could test out by hitting this copy button. If you wanted to improve this, I could select refine in the chat, and look down here in the chat, I can write my changes for that specific prompt. I can even filter by the category up here at the very top. Then as far as the shot references, we have all these options to choose from. More camera angles and shot references, specific meta tokens you want to use to really get those unique looking AI videos. Incredible. Remember, all these tabs are interactive up here at the very top. Now finally, the meta system prompt. This is incredible. This is going to be a prompt generator, a system prompt to generate prompts for any need or subject you have. I can go with copy meta prompt, or go ahead and open it up in a brand new chat down here below, and it's already down here available. Look, here it is. It just brings me down here with that meta prompt. There's the full meta prompt. You are director. And now I can just specify, what is my movie? What's the genre, the world, and who is your protagonist? So down here below, I'll just say an action supercar racing movie, night street races, a man is the underdog, and then he ends up winning. Okay, go ahead and submit this, and then just ask me for some specific details. Go ahead and fill this information in. Okay, so I'll go ahead and submit that information, which now populates the next step. Here it is. Here is my full movie, the full log line, the full scene breakdown. It's going to give me 12 scenes. And now just watch everything I'm instantly going to receive right here. It's all done for me. It's actually like writing the full screenplay for me. Now, this is where you can get that scene consistency by using a prompt like this. What scene do you want me to build first? And what's the emotional arc you want it to carry? So let's just go ahead and skip forward just to see how this looks. I'm gonna go ahead and hit that number 3, just like that. Because then ultimately what you want to do is generate as many of these scenes as you want, and then you could just clip it together and go from a 15-second clip to more of a 2, 3, or even 5-minute mini film. It asks the specific questions. Now that's because this is an iterative process to make sure you get that prompt perfection. We'll go with the arrogant driver at a late night diner. Now there it is. Claude is thinking through the process. Perfect. Does this arc match? All right, let's just go ahead and say yes. And just like that, look, montage, multi-shot, raw, underground action film. And now here's the full prompt with the full vision. Let's just go ahead and say it is. We can also refine it. Remember, right here, if I want to refine it, just specify the details. Let's copy this whole prompt right here. Now, unfortunately, this first one, for some reason, again, it is Seedance. It got flagged. So I'm going to go ahead and create a backup version using Kling, just in case. Now let's go ahead and paste in the newest prompt we have, all right? We're not even going to add a character. We're just going to go ahead and generate this in Seedance to see how good of a job that Claude actually did. We'll make this one 10 seconds and now generate. Let's test in the original prompt I'm giving you right now just to see if Claude does something similar, because if you're hoping to get something exactly like this, you may not get that. It may be in different variations, so I would always recommend using this prompt more than once and even changing the model up. I'm in Sonnet 4.6 right now. You could just try different models, but nonetheless, the more you try it, you may get different results. So if you don't get the results you're looking for, you can go ahead and say, go ahead and create an interactive in-chat prompt builder, shot reference library, and then a full meta system prompt. Have everything contained within the chat, because other times it may create a full artifact. Still, as long as it's interactive and you get what you want, this is going to be a phenomenal prompt to use. And now just like that, look, tons of information we're getting right here with the new chat. It's instantly just giving me the brand new example prompts I could use. But everything looks great. We get all the example prompts, we get the prompt builder, we get the most important one, that meta system prompt. Amazing. So remember to check the links in the description, because that is where I'll include the prompt that you could try for yourself. And remember, if you like this video, please remember, hit that subscribe button. I'll see you next time.
Subscribe to the mule. If it's the last thing you do, subscribe to the mule. I was made for the